Alright guys, so I'm going to show you how to book a road test in Ontario. What you want to do is in Google, you want to type book a road test, and this is what you will see as a result. And let me caution you, you don't want to go to this website, bookmyroadtest.ca, okay? This is not an authentic website. You don't know where this payment is going to go. You might end up losing your money. Roadtestbooking.ca, no, that's also not where you want to go, at least not in Ontario. I don't know if other provinces, they want you to book the test here, but Ontario people, you want to go to DriveTest.ca. This is what you click on, and this is what you will see. Book a road test. This is how the website looks, okay? And there's also download test results, right? So after you pass your test, if you want to download your test results, you want to see how the examiner has rated you, what are the mistakes that you made, you can have a look. So they let you download the entire sheet here. All right, so but for now, I'm going to show you how to book a road test. So you click on this, and this is what you will see here, okay? So if you're booking for the first time, it will ask you to confirm your email. Here you enter your driver's license number and the expiry date. And for people who have a paper license, you would see an expiry date of 90 days from the date of issue. So what you want to do is you want to add 5 years to the issue date and then put the expiry date here. Until you get your card, you would not see the real expiry date. So this is what you can do. Add 5 years to the issue date and it should work. It will then let you do it, okay? So first time, okay, it will not let you sign in. Okay, it will not let you sign in. So what you want to do is you want to enter this. It will send you a validation email, a verification email. You verify it, and then what you do is you come back to this page, follow the same steps that you did to get here, and then you click on sign in. Okay, this is what I'm going to do for this student, and I'm going to enter the driver's license number for the student. And I'm going to enter the expiry date. So they have a photo card, and watch this. Until I enter the last digit, the submit button is grayed out. Okay, now when I enter the last digit, you see, it gets activated. So I can now click on submit. And here we are. We see the option to book a road test. Okay, so it says book a road test. If you have already booked a road test and you're trying to reschedule it, or you will see the date here. You will see the booking here already on this page. So, but we're booking for the first time for this person. So we click on this, and it says, what class of road test would you like to book? I want first class. Just kidding. So, it's showing, okay, so it's not letting me book the test. Now, this normally happens when people haven't completed the 8-year term. You become eligible to do the road test, the G2, in 8 months if you have completed the BDE course. If you haven't completed it, then you have to wait a year from your G1 date to take the G2 test. So I guess this student is yet to complete 8 months. So that is why it's not letting them book the test. But what it says here is that they'll have to call the DriveTest Center. So you can also note down this number, 1-888-570-6110. If you're having difficulty booking the road test online, you can always call them and they can also book the test for you. So that's another way of booking the test. But you know what? I'm gonna come back to this video and I'm going to show you how we can book the test from here, after what happens when you actually are able to see the options of booking the test here, okay? All right, guys, so here we are, and the issue has been resolved. The issue was that we had to clear the cookies and refresh the browser to be able to book the test. Now, if I click on this, it will let me go into the next screen, which is this, and here it's giving me options to book either the G2 test or the G test, but for this student, I'm booking the G2 test, so I'll click on G2, and when I click on G2, this continue button gets activated. I click on continue, and here I see all the DriveTest centers in Ontario, and I can pick one of these, okay? So I'm going to pick, let's say I pick Mississauga. Okay, so here it is. Here's Mississauga, and I click on continue here, and it will show me the dates, and I just pick the date. Okay, December 15 is what it's showing me. I click on this and click on this, and there are different times here. I can pick any time. Let's say this. I'm just showing it to you right now. I'm not going to book it, so I'll click on this, and then it will ask me to verify this. Okay, move. All right, so here it is. It's asking us to make a payment. If you haven't paid already at the DriveTest Center, it will ask you to make this payment, $53.75 for G2. And you click on this, and it will ask you to book and pay now, right? And you'll be all set then. After that, you will see the final screen, which will show that your test has been booked. I'm not going to book this test because the student wants an early date in November. So I'm going to leave it here, but now you know how to book it. So make sure you book it from this authentic website only, nowhere else. All right, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then do not forget to hit that like button. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you again with another video.